Join me as I take on the challenge of mastering my busy weekdays with some game-changing meal prep hacks. In today's video, you'll discover powerful meal prep hacks that will transform your busy weekdays into stress-free culinary experiences. Let's face it, many of us struggle to find time to cook healthy meals during hectic weekdays. It's easy to fall into the trap of relying on takeout or fast food. But we know that's not doing our bodies any favors. The stress of a busy week can be overwhelming, and cooking a healthy meal can feel like just another task to add to our never-ending to-do lists. But what if I told you there's a better way? By incorporating meal prep into your busy schedule, you can save time, reduce stress, and enjoy nutritious meals all week long. And the best part is, it's not as hard as you might think. The first step is to identify what's holding you back from cooking healthy meals during the week. Is it lack of time, lack of energy, lack of inspiration? Whatever it is, knowing what's holding you back is key to finding a solution. For many of us, it's simply a matter of not knowing where to start. We know we want to cook healthy meals, but we're not sure how to fit it into our busy schedules. Many of us have good intentions, but when it comes down to it, we just can't seem to make it happen. We might start the week with the best of intentions, but by Wednesday, we're back to our old habits. The trick is to find a system that works for you and stick to it. With a little bit of planning and prep, you can set yourself up for success, even on the busiest of days. We'll explore key strategies like batch cooking, using versatile ingredients, and smart storage solutions that can simplify your meal prep process. These strategies can help you cook healthy meals in no time, even when you're short on time. You'll be amazed at how much time and energy you can save by meal prepping. One of the most powerful meal prep strategies is batch cooking. By cooking large quantities of a single ingredient, you can use it throughout the week in different meals. For example, cooking a big batch of brown rice on the weekend can give you a healthy base for meals all week long. You can use it to make salads, stir fries, and even as a side dish. The possibilities are endless, and the best part is you only have to cook it once. Using versatile ingredients is another key strategy. By choosing ingredients that can be used in multiple meals, you can reduce food waste and save time. For example, using a rotisserie chicken can give you chicken salad, chicken soup, and even chicken tacos. The possibilities are endless, and the best part is you only have to cook the chicken once. Smart storage solutions can also make a big difference. By using containers that are specifically designed for meal prep, you can keep your food fresh and ready to grab on the go. You'll be amazed at how much easier it is to stick to your healthy eating goals when you have healthy food readily available. The game-changing hack is using mason jars for salads. This keeps your ingredients fresh and ready to grab on your busiest days. By layering your salad ingredients in a mason jar, you can keep them fresh for up to 5 days. It's the perfect solution for busy weekdays when you don't have time to cook. Simply grab your jar, add your favorite protein, and you're good to go. Using mason jars is also a great way to customize your salads. By layering your ingredients in different combinations, you can create a new salad every day of the week. You'll never get bored with the same old salad again. And the best part is, you can prep your jars on the weekend and have healthy salads ready to go all week long. By implementing these meal prep hacks, you'll not only save time but also enjoy nutritious meals throughout the week. You'll feel more energized, more focused, and more confident. You'll be amazed at how much better you can feel when you're fueling your body with healthy food. By mastering your busy weekdays with these meal prep hacks, you'll be unstoppable. You'll have more time, more energy, and more confidence. You'll be able to take on anything that comes your way. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to check out my other videos for more meal prep ideas and leave your thoughts in the comments below.